Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're gearing up for a Southwest Airlines flight in 2025 and want to skip the hassle of printing or fumbling with your phone at the gate, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add your Southwest boarding pass directly to your Apple Wallet. This feature is a game changer for seamless travel, making check-in quicker and more convenient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Southwest Airlines app installed on your iPhone. Head to the App Store if you need to update it. Apple's always rolling out improvements, especially for 2025. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your Southwest account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, it's quick to set one up. Next, check in for your flight. This is usually available 24 hours before departure. Tap on the Check-in button, select your flight, and follow the prompts to get your boarding pass. Now, here's the fun part. Look for the option that says, Add to Apple Wallet, or a similar icon on your boarding pass screen. It might be a wallet logo, just tap it. You'll be prompted to confirm adding the pass. Go ahead and tap, Add, and voila, your boarding pass will appear in your Apple Wallet app. Double-check that all your flight details, like your name, flight number, and gate information, are correct. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, ensure your iOS is up to date, as 2025 might bring new compatibility requirements. Also, make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled for the best experience. And remember, this works offline once added, so you're good even without Wi-Fi at the airport. There you have it. Adding your Southwest boarding pass to Apple Wallet is straightforward and will make your travels in 2025 a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone.